Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today I'm going to share with you steamed pumpkin buns. Steamed buns are very traditional Chinese breakfast. My mom eats every morning and she loves them. You can have with soy milk or congee. Steamed pumpkin buns in Chinese is
南瓜馒头.
南瓜馒头. Let me show you the ingredients. I have one piece of pumpkin, so at the Asian market they sell by piece, and I'm going to just use half it, about 10 to 12 ounces. If you find that the skin is hard to peel or get rid of it, so you can put in the microwave for about 2 minutes to heat up, so it softens. And just get rid of the skin. That should be enough. See this piece, just remove the seeds. Now we just slice it thin like that. Now we're ready to steam the pumpkin. Now the water is boiling. We're going to steam the pumpkin for about 10 minutes or till they're soft. So 10 minutes passed, let's check on our pumpkin. Definitely it's done, right? Soft. Okay, let's get them out. Now let's put our pumpkin in a mixing bowl and mash it. So we'll let this cool for about a few minutes. So this way it's not going to kill the yeast. Now we're going to add yeast. I'm using rabbit rice yeast, instant yeast. Add about a teaspoon. And this is 1 tablespoon sugar. Now we add flour, 2 cups of flour. This is 1. One more. Now we just knead to dough. Depends on how wet the pumpkin is. You may need to add a little bit water, but this looks perfect. Now it seems our dough a little wet, sticky, so we can add a little bit of flour, adjust it. Now our dough's good, nice and smooth. Just need to cover it. And let this rest about 30 minutes. I'm going to put near the stove, right? We're still warm. After 30 minutes, let's check on our dough. Is it doubled? Almost, right?
Looks like.
But the way to test it, just poke on it. Oh, it's not a spring back. Okay, I think we're good to go. Now we just sprinkle some flour. Press out the air in the dough. Do you want to do it, Mr. Cameraman?
No, you're doing a great job.
Exercise. Now we just roll into a sheet. Okay, now I can just roll into a log like that. Now we just cut into even pieces. Let's see, in the middle, it's above, right? Half. This one. 3. And just put the liner in the steamer and put our buns. Just give some space so this way they're going to rise more. 1, 2, the smaller ones. That's okay, they're not perfect, but they will be fine. And we're ready to steam them. So before we steam them, we're going to have the second proof. So just place the steamer in cold water and cover it. Let's wait about another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, second proof, we are ready to steam the buns. I'm just turning the heat to high. We're going to steam about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's turn off the heat, but let them sit for about 2 minutes. So this way they won't collapse. Trust me, patience will pay off, right?
Right.
After 2 minutes, ta-da!
Wow.
Oh, pumpkin buns are ready.
Looks awesome.
Don't they look great?
Amazing.
Yeah, beautiful color. Eh? Should we open one? Wow,
Whoa.
fluffy, soft, beautiful color. Smells so good.
Amazing.
From the pumpkin and the steamer.
Beautiful.
Ready to try them?
I'm ready to try. Can't wait.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So fluffy.
Slightly sweet, right? Not too sweet.
Taste the pumpkin. Wow, so soft.
Yep. Delicious.
Awesome.
Not only they are good for breakfast, also they're good snacks, right? If you have extra ones, I just put them in refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. If you still have some left, if you make a big batch, you can also freeze them in a zip bag. Please leave me a comment below if you ever had steamed buns like this, or if you ever made steamed buns. I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box. Also, I'm going to list the link of a steamer similar to mine for you guys, because some of you asked about it before. If you don't have a steamer, you can also use a steaming rack, right? Just put it in a pot. You can steam like that. What else?
I think that's it.
That's it. Yeah. We're going to continue enjoying the steamed buns. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.